How to Learn Digital Marketing Step-by-Step Digital Marketing for Beginners, Part 4. To learn more about email marketing and how to effectively use an autoresponder, pick one and start using it. All the major autoresponder platforms have numerous guides and articles about how to use them to run successful marketing campaigns. You can also find videos on YouTube that teach how to run email marketing campaigns with your chosen autoresponder. Or you can do an online search for a course that teaches you the information you need. Do your research and take action. You can research online marketing tips at home and find out what techniques are working for others. You can then take these ideas and use them yourself. Many techniques you learn may not be successful, but you will soon learn what works best for you and what does not. You'll learn your own way of working and which area of online marketing you prefer to focus on. Not everyone can be an expert at everything, which is why many successful online marketers have a team of experts who each specialize in their own area. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering local SEO, social media and other marketing tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion 𝑘𝑛𝑒𝑤�Ｂrownfields and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbrownfields.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.